Hello, my name is Seth Cain.
Hi, Seth Cain.
Hello. At this point, I'm going to hope and pray that this does not break. What I created for you all, ignore the horrible substance scene, is Trapped Pawn. Essentially, I'm going to spoil the entire presence of this game. You were somehow put into a pawn board, as you will see on screen in 1 second, WASD or arrow keys. Your goal essentially is to not get hit. Over time, both you and the enemy speeds up.
So you're the purple.
Yes, I am the purple.
Okay.
It's not exactly the best thing in the world, but it's something. I will say it is physically impossible for it to spawn on top of you as you spawn in the middle, roughly here. And the ball always spawns somewhere over in this area.
What if you go over and hit one of the green or the blue things?
I tried, I just didn't make individual sprites, so I didn't know how to.
So is that how? Oh, but you can't beat the game by doing that?
No, because it hits them.
Yeah,
You can't
it goes through them. That was one thing I did test beforehand, is you cannot just instantly up here. It does change, and it will hit you.
Uh-oh.
That lagged on there. It's still working on here.
Okay, so it is your Apple TV that just lagged.
All right. Someone want to play? Who wants to play?
I'm legit up to anyone, or I could just take this down.
I'll play.
Alright.
All right. There we go.
I played all the other games.
Towards you.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
So that was a lot harder than
Okay, I'm going to try it now. Now that she's tried it, I think I can do at least better than that. Now I have confidence. Good job. Way to build my confidence.
So, the score goes up 1 every 5 seconds, or 1 every second, and then every 5 seconds the level increases. So
I can use the arrow keys?
yes, you can use the arrow keys.
So you almost got hit there. Exactly. Only 3.
I have been working on this for a while. Also, when you get to the next level, both you and the enemy.
I think being in the middle is not the
speed
strat, honestly, because it
No.
goes through the middle a lot.
I actually move so that I can get killed.
Yeah, you
There
did.
is one strategy that's really cheesy that I don't classify as like a legit attempt.
It's kind of hard to predict
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
It kind of bounces right
the
in.
angle.
There you go.
It seems like it should be easier.
It
Right?
does, but I think adding the movement of the pawn boards on the side really just diverts your attention, so it's harder.
It really does.
Yeah.
I agree.
And
Whoa!
there it is.
Yes! I'm winning!
What?
Oh, no! All of a sudden
And
decided
you only ended up getting 8 points.
That's crazy. It decided to just randomly decide, I'm going to kill him. Now I'm going to kill him.
Yeah. So at that point, it's just GG. Sometimes it will come back. I've had it happen
brother.
twice that it won't. So you want to know?
It's almost like it's chasing me.
Kind of. You want to know the main strategy that I found? Hug a wall. Like that's legit. Just like a ceiling,
Go
floor,
to the wall.
Hey, can I show?
and at that point, just go back and forth between it. Yeah, come on up. It's a lot easier when you're.
Yeah, this might be easier.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you only have to dodge it like 1 time.
You only have to focus on one coordinate rather than 2. So anyway, as stated before,
Yeah,
this.
because now I kind of know where it's. Oh,
Jeez. Yeah, it always changes. There's no like one place that's.
But hey, you got 19. That's
19.
It increases both you and the enemy increase by 1.15 or 1.1 speed per 5-point score.
So it starts to go faster, huh?
Yeah.
It
It doesn't really seem noticeable until you get to like score 10, 15. At that point, it's like,
Yeah,
yo,
that's
what's
weird.
happening here?
I don't know. That's really weird.
Okay.
That's cool.
It feels like it should be easier than it is.
It
Yeah,
does.
it looks a lot easier.
For how simple it is, it really should not be this hard, but.
Unless we just.
Same for Hudson's. Hudson's was also very simple.
Hudson's looked hard because there were so
first
many.
semester is gonna be, I guess, small PE.
Anyway, mine's good.
Okay, nice job.